Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are solving another Geeks for Geeks problem of the day. This one is called Kth Largest Sum Contiguous Subarray. It's a fun and slightly tricky one, so make sure to watch till the end. The problem goes like this. Given an array ad of size n, find the sum of the kth largest sum among all contiguous subarrays. In other words, identify the kth largest sum from all possible subarrays and return it. Let me explain you through the notepad. Wait, let me open notepad for. So yes, as you can see from one example, shift a bit. Yeah, as you can see, for example, in the first example, array value is 3 to 1 and k is 2. So if add function's value is 3 comma 2 comma 1 and k is 2, so we can divide this given array into a number of into various subarrays. For example, it should be like 3 2 1, then 3 comma 2 2 comma 1 and 3 2 comma 1. So what we will do here is we will add each and every element in a given in the subarrays of the given array. So here the value is 3, the second one is 2, sorry, 2, third one is 1, fourth one is 5, 3, 6. It seems to be a bit repeating, right? Yeah, wait. Okay, let me omit this one for now. It's 1 and the value is 6. And wha- which one which one has the highest sum value of various arrays? 5. Which is the which is the second highest. Here k means, here k largest means second highest. Since the value of k is 2, that's why we need to find the second highest element of not element, sorry, sum of the contiguous subarray. Similarly, in another example, as you can see that array is array has been given as a 2 6 4 1 and a k is 3. So subarray should be hmm. So these are the some sub arrays of a given array. Now we will try to find out the sum of each and every sub array. That is 2, second one is 6, 4, 1, fifth one is 8, 5, 10, 12, 11, 13. Now since the value has been given as 3, that's when here we need to find the not second, sorry, third highest. Third highest. So let's find it out. The third highest value, and the third highest value here is 11. First highest one is 13, second highest been 12, third highest been 11. So the output should be 11. And that's how it has been explained here in two examples. Now let's dive into the approach. So which approach should be used to solve the question successfully, and also not to mention that all the test cases should be executed without any flaw. So to do so, we will use Min Heap to maintain the top case sum. So here, here's the plan. First of all, we will use two nested loops to generate all contiguous subarray sums. Secondly, we can use a priority queue min heap of the size k. And the third step is for each sum. If the heap has less than k elements, we add the sum. Otherwise, if the current sum is larger than the smallest in the heap, replace it. This way, the top of the heap will always have the kth largest sum. So now we are going to solve the code. So let's jump into it. Voila! All this code has been executed successfully, and all the test cases have been passed without any flaw. This code complies with the time complexity and space complexity of big O n square log k and big O log k respectively. But I would like to give you an edge case and tips for better performance of the given code. First of all, don't forget to handle negative numbers since they reduce subarray sums. And secondly, k larger than total subarrays, though this is typically constraint. We can pre-compute all sums in an array and sort them too, but that takes more space and time. And so that's it. The Kth largest sum of contiguous subarrays using Java has been solved successfully. And kindly tell about various processes which can also be solved so as to pass all the test cases and execute the question successfully by writing down in the comments. And in case you like this video and you are interested in coding for placement preparations, then don't forget to to subscribe to my channel and share my videos to everyone. So thank you All the very best for your future endeavors.